Hi, it's Lauren Folks Adams with Guarantee Maid Services, and today we're talking about cleaning up before the cleaners come. So I never really understood that when we would get our house cleaned when I was younger, but now I totally understand it. So when you think about it, you want to get all your stuff off the counters as much as possible so that the cleaners are able to clean all the surface areas. Here is a typical day in my house, what it looks like. When we come home, we have the mail, we have kids' folders, everything sprawled all over the kitchen counter. And the thing is that the cleaners aren't going to be able to get much clean with stuff all over the counters. So if I help them out and pile it in a pile for when they come, if I pile it in a pile, they'll be able to clean the whole surface area. So now you come back in and you look and it's picked up. So that way the cleaners aren't having to tidy up before they start to clean. See all that surface area? You couldn't see it before, but now you can. So now the cleaners are just having to scoot stuff up, clean the surface area and scoot it back. So it makes it a lot easier. I am coming to you this month. Oh, we got little Juju here trying to get a visit. Talking about how you can better help the cleaners in getting ready for your house to be cleaned. So one thing we wanted to show you is leaving your clothes all over the place. And so instead of the cleaner walking into your room and being able to get started, making the bed, dusting the ceiling fans, things along those lines, she or he